Had a bad dream, stretching through the means without thought or exhausting the seams. No space for indignity on the face of simplicity. Taste of sufficiency's a belly full of lethargy. Dash of apathy, a pinch of ecstasy's a recipe. Serving up a feast for the beast of our treachery. Not sure if you're getting me. Celebrities are effigy, I hear just fine, but I'm deaf to those next to me. Conflict that perplexes me, cause our biggest battle is now we're so free that we choose to be shackled. I'm stuck, freedom lasso. I'm stuck, freedom lasso. I'm stuck, freedom lasso. Listen. This invisible strain of the human stain colors every brain vein, thus chained to another's pain. We may not be the artist, but we surely are the frame. We may just be the smoke, but we cannot blame the flame. Strange is the fruit that nourishes, not the pain. Yet we are the still, for we seek it like the rain. Nothing bounds our path, yet we march perfect in name. Whoever saw the tiger that desired to be tamed. Reality defies, nature does not know surprise. Yet the lesion of our season blind even the eagle's eyes. Spies dreadnought, headlock, tight as a thread knot. Get lost, why throw a bone to a dead dog? That is not charity, that is just sarcasm. That's why we fight so hard and never bark at him. Spark at him's insane. It's play, gather and pray. When even a mighty tiger he desires to be tamed. I'm stuck, freedom lasso. I'm stuck, freedom lasso. I'm stuck, freedom lasso. Listen. They act as if it's
South, and I'm an East boy, or a cheap boy. I finish it when you start the beef boy. Girls like me, but I'm a sweet boy. So boy, don't be difficult, let me get back on with the sleep boy. That's what I make more keys than use. Even when I'm in prison, so slick. Prison, so slick. The flicks between the shit, that's the slick. The man licking chicks, that's slick. That's slick. If you see me and I ain't with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even if I'm on two, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me and I ain't with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even if I'm on two, that's the difference between me and you. I hate losing, so my game's losing. From London to Luton, I'm moving. I've been working overseas, and I got it locked from London to Leeds. Planes from Tiger, where we shine. Now I'm big from London to Merseyside. You got lines, but you spit like nursery rhymes. This year's gotta be mine, I'm the first in line. Wow, you got your first rewind, but the second line sounded like the first line. I ain't got punchlines, I got kick lines. And I ain't commercial, but I got hit lines. I spit beat rhymes, but I got the girls on my side from the first rewind. You might see my face in a magazine or in a fur coat in Face magazine, cause it's spreading the word down from reach that I've been, and then bringing the purse out to pay for my team. I couldn't give a shit, I'll break in the scene, making a scene and start making the cream. Sing, I got a gang with me, and when you walk in the gangster lean, you're all talk, you don't wanna rap with me. There's no jokes or no pranks with me. If you see me and I ain't with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me and I ain't with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me and I ain't with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Get sneaks or shoes, but get a Honda, get no Jeeps and coups. No chief your crew, we're so hungry, no teeth your food. So mind out before you find out who you're speaking to. I speak to you on a level and speak the truth. So please, let's fuck in me, but there ain't no me in you. And please, you ain't busting one, let alone squeezing two. Say cheese, but it won't be a snapshot, pull out and try and hit like the jackpot leave. I ain't waiting around, baiting the town for K to be found out slipping. If there ain't a blitz between the clips.